Questions are often asked about premium gas. Should I use it? Should I not use it? Can I mix it with regular gas? Well, I'm going to try to clear that up a little bit for you today. Welcome to Mercie Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician, and this is Gumball. So, when it comes to premium gas, the difference in the gases is what's called an octane rating. And basically, the higher the octane, the slower the fuel burns. So when we have an engine that fires, we think it's like a little explosion in there, but it's really not. It actually has this flame front that burns across the top of the piston. And so sometimes if that flame front goes too fast, it can rattle the piston and we get kind of a knocking in the engine, also referred to as pinging. Now, some cars require premium gas, so you'd have to look at those in particular, but those are typically more of your high-performance models. So here's what I personally do. In my own cars here in Arizona, when we start getting in our really hot temperatures, 105 and above, I typically put the premium fuel in mine. That way it keeps the pinging to a minimum. But quite frankly, in the winter time, the car will perform better with the lower octane ratings because it's colder and we need that flame front to move a little quicker. And then as far as mixing it, it's irrelevant. You can do half a tank, full tank, doesn't matter. So I hope that clears up a little bit on the premium gas question. You can really run whatever you want, but you kind of got what I do on my cars. And so I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time.
Until next time.
Safe travels to you and blessings.